Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So on today's video today's video is all about eyebrows. I just want to tint my eyebrows so that they could have some color to it, because I don't have any eyebrows. As you can see, it's a struggle. So this is the first time I'm actually doing this. I actually saw this hack on TikTok. Someone just tinted the eyebrows at home. I'll be showing you the product that I'll be using. So let me just grab the product real quick. So I'll be using this just for men, mustache and beard color. So I'll be using this on my eyebrows. I'm not a professional in any way, shape or form. This is the first time I'm actually doing this. I saw someone doing it, so I was like, let me just try it as well to see if it will work for me, because I would love my eyebrows to just have some color to it, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, this is the product I'll be using today. Before I do anything, because this is my face, you know, I'll actually apply the gel. So I'll be using this. I'll be using this to protect just the barrier of my eyebrows, where I just want to protect it just in case the product goes on there. It's just, you know, it doesn't do any harm at all. So yeah, I'll be using this as just the skin protector. So I'm just gonna go ahead. So it will be better for me to use I'll use this one, just a small brush, just to protect my barrier. So where's my mirror? Because you never know. If it works, I will never go back to the salon to do any of my eyebrows. Hopefully it's gonna turn out okay. It won't give me rush or anything, because if it does, like, that would be really embarrassing. But then again, it's DIY, so you know the risk involved when you do things by yourself, you know. So yeah, I'm just applying it's just the skin barrier cream underneath there. Okay, so that's done. So let's read the instructions first. Okay, so these are the products. So this is the color base, and this is the developer, and it comes with the applicator there, and there's some gloves. I don't know if I'll need them. So what do you do first? I'm so excited. Okay, they always advise to test on your arm, like do a skin test first before you do anything. Squeeze the color base. So they gave you the plate and stuff like that. Yeah, they say squeeze the color base. This is the color base here. So this came with the packaging. And then squeeze the developer into the tray. You are the developer. Oh, this is for men. This is for this is what men are supposed to use just to color their beard. Is it for beard? Yeah, that's what it says. So beard and mustache. I'm using it for my eyebrows, like, and I'll just mix everything. We're using the brush that came with it. They say mix very well. I'm just gonna begin. I'm scared. So I'll just use my makeup brush to apply the product. I'm scared, yo. So let's see how it's gonna go. So So I'm just gonna apply it from the tail. What's the worst that could happen? Like, let's see. Okay, let's do the other one. The color is already starting to show on this one, so let's be quick. Yeah, it's not stinging or anything like that. If this thing works, yeah, they will not see me again in that shop, in those salons, because it's like cheap. I bought this one for £7 from Tesco, so. And for skin tints, those guys were charging me like 20 quid. Okay, they said wait for 10 minutes, so I will see you guys in 10 minutes. Hi guys, welcome back. So the packaging said you need to wait for 5 minutes, but me being me, I wanted to wait for 10 minutes to see, because when the 5 minutes was up, I couldn't see. They were not as dark as I would love them to be, but now when I waited 10 minutes, they're now like, you know, what I would like, you know. So I'm just gonna clean them up to see. You are joking. Guys, oh my god, why didn't I know about this sooner? I am shocked. I'm shook. I am shook. Like, so I've been wasting my £20 for no shit. I want my refund. You are kidding me. You are joking me. Like, you are literally kidding me right now. Like, you are kidding. Are you joking? Seriously, guys, do you see this? Like, I tinted my eyebrows by myself. I'm so happy with the results, you guys. I am so happy with the results. I am shocked. I am shocked. I'm shocked that they came out like that. I really thought that it would be a disaster. I am really shocked, but I'm very happy. So this is actually the first time I've done this, so it's like legit. Like, I don't feel anything. I don't like this, like, you know, So yeah, I'm so glad. So I'm just gonna do my makeup next. I will go get myself together and sort out my hair, and then I'll come back and do my makeup. So thank you guys for watching. So yeah, I love the results. They really did come alive. They really did come together. Like, I'm so I'm shocked by these results. So yeah, make sure you subscribe to my channel, and comment down below, share the video, and yeah, let me know what you guys think so much. I'll see you later. Bye.